विक्टिम ने अपनी स्कूटर एक टोल प्लाजा के पास पार्क की थी। उस दिन रात को दो लॉरी ड्राइवर्स और उनके असिस्टेंट्स ने विक्टिम पर नजर रखी थी। इन लोगों ने पहले उसका टायर डिफ्लेट किया, फिर मदद करने के नाटक करते हुए उसे अपने झांसे में ले लिया। Hi guys, this is Shomili and you're watching Legal Tikana. Today we're going to discuss another gang rape case that has shocked India in 2019. Without further ado, let us dive right into the facts. In November 2019, India was shaken by a crime so brutal that it reignited the nation's outrage against sexual violence. A 26-year-old veterinary doctor was gang raped and murdered in Shamshabad near Hyderabad. Since it is a crime in our Indian laws to mention a rape victim's name or reveal anything that might lead to the identification, the country named her Disha. Disha's charred body was discovered the next day on 28 November under a bridge in Shadnagar. तेलंगाना पुलिस के मुताबिक विक्टिम ने अपनी स्कूटर एक टोल प्लाजा के पास पार्क की थी। उस दिन रात को दो लॉरी ड्राइवर्स और उनके असिस्टेंट्स ने विक्टिम पर नजर रखी थी। इन लोगों ने पहले उसका टायर डिफ्लेट किया, फिर मदद करने के नाटक करते हुए उसे अपने झांसे में ले लिया। According to the police, the men pushed her into nearby bushes where they raped her and smothered her to death. To hide their crime, they allegedly loaded her body onto a lorry, drove away, and then set her on fire before dumping her by the roadside. सीसीटीवी फुटेज और विक्टिम के मोबाइल फोन से जो डेटा मिला है, उसके मुताबिक पुलिस ने 4 मुजरिमों को पहचाना और गिरफ्तार किया। ये सभी चेरलापल्ली सेंट्रल जेल में जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भेजे गए। The Chief Minister of Telangana ordered a fast-track court to expedite the trial of the accused, given the public outrage that followed. The entire country was seething with anger, demanding not just only justice, but also stricter laws to prevent such horrific crimes in the future. However, on 6th December 2019, just a few days after their arrest, all 4 accused were killed in what the police described as an encounter. The incident occurred under a bridge on the Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway, where the accused were allegedly taken for a reconstruction of the crime scene. पुलिस ने कहा कि ये जो 2 अक्यूज थे उनमें से उन लोगों ने गन्स छीन ली और पुलिस पर हमला कर दिया। इसके बाद जो शूट आउट हुआ उसमें 4 मुजरिमों को मार दिया गया। The encounter led to mixed reactions. While many celebrated it as swift justice, others raised serious concerns about the legality and ethics of the police action. Was it a genuine act of self-defense or an extrajudicial killing? पहला पोस्टमार्टम महबूब नगर के एक गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में किया गया, लेकिन तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट के आदेश पर AIMS दिल्ली के फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट्स ने हैदराबाद में दूसरा पोस्टमार्टम किया। In December 2022, an inquiry commission appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court concluded that the encounter was indeed staged. The commission's report stated that the police had indeed planned the killings, and the case was subsequently transferred to the Telangana High Court for further action. This case, which began with a horrific crime and ended in a controversial encounter, has left a deep scar on the nation's conscience. It forces us to ask difficult questions about justice, law enforcement and the protection of our citizens. ये घटना सिर्फ एक जुर्म नहीं, बल्कि हमारे समाज के लिए एक चेतावनी भी है। कानून के हिसाब से न्याय प्राप्त करना कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है। The country must continue to strive for a society where justice is served within the bounds of the law and where such heinous crimes become a thing of the past. Thank you for staying updated with Legal Tikana. We'll be back with more updates soon.